Hello dear traders, you are watching economic calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. In the second part of the week, all eyes will be turned to following macroeconomic events. On Thursday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will announce its key interest rate decision for June. It is expected that the benchmark rate will be held unchanged at the level of 2.25%. At the previous meeting, the regulator also kept the key rate at the same level of 2.25%, meeting forecasts of most analysts. In the post-meeting statement, RBNZ Governor Graham Willis said that the country's economy is supported by strong inward immigration, construction activity, tourism and accommodative monetary policy. He also noted some uncertainties, including the prospects for global growth. The main domestic risks relate to weakness in the dairy sector, the decline in inflation expectation, the possibility of continued high net migration, and pressures in the housing market. Further policy easing may be required to ensure that future average inflation settles near the middle of the target range. Besides, on Thursday, China will unveil the consumer price index data for May. Analysts suppose that consumer prices rose by 2.3% on an yearly basis. In April, the Chinese CPI also climbed by 2.3% compared to the same period in the previous year. In April, inflation rate turned out to be only 0.1% lower compared to a 2.4% forecast. The Chinese government expects that in 2016 the country's inflation will be at the level of 3%. At the same time, the producer price index declined by 3.4% in April compared to the previous year. On Friday, Canada will publish May data on unemployment rate and employment change. It is expected that the country's unemployment rate will be at the same level of 7.1% and the number of employed people will rise by 1,100. In April, Canada's unemployment rate was unchanged at the level of 7.1%. However, analysts had expected an advance to 7.2%. At the same time, the number of employed people in Canada reduced by 2,100 on a monthly basis. Experts had anticipated an increase by 200. In the previous month, the number of employed people grew by 40,600. Moreover, the participation rate dropped to 65.8% from 65.9% in April. Besides, the following macroeconomic events will be published in the second part of the week. On Thursday, RBNZ Governor Graham Willis and ECB President Mario Draghi will make a speech. Besides, the US will disclose the unemployment claims data. On Friday, Germany will report on inflation and the University of Michigan will reveal the US consumer sentiment figures. On Sunday, China will publish the industrial production figures. You have watched the economic calendar on InstаФорекс TV channel. Good luck!